Good morning, everybody. My name's Leonie Shearing, and this morning I had the opportunity of working with Janeen Vosper on the perfect pitch for 60 seconds. And it really was hard to do until Janeen posted out the positives of how to process the situation. You learn how in the 5-step process to pitch your business and to pitch yourself. And what's important is both go hand in hand. So I thank Janeen for her time this morning, and I appreciate the assistance that she gave me.
Morning, my name is Sandra Hayward. I've just completed a session with Janeen Vosper, Perfect Your 60-second pitch. I found it very helpful with Janeen setting out a process to create your pitch without sounding salesy. Yeah, I found it amazing.
Hi, I'm Annie Huang. I just participated in Janeen Vosper's Perfect Your Pitch this morning, and it was really an eye-opener because I didn't realize there are so many elements that goes into doing a 6-second pitch. So I'm really happy that she took us through the process one by one, the steps one by one, and then we were able to come out the other side with a pitch that was a lot better than what I had before. So I'm really thankful to Janeen and to the other people in the workshop as well, because it's really helpful to learn from how they take their own pitch through the process too. So thank you.
Excellent. Thanks, Annie. Thank you, ladies.